Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if enough heard from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and I keep on telling you that. Me there, so for telling a while, go on for not to go on, you say me, so you know we bust the story, say, the feds get chronicler. The man sealed the indictment earlier today, and we're letting you know, say, he was in possession of a firearm, and you know, so when you're immigrant, you need special permission to that, so I've never fill out the application, so it is what it is. It's a lot of people is not buying my story for some reason. I don't know when we provided the documents, but you know, his management came out and said, you know, we are aware of the reports regarding chronic law detention in South Florida. At this time, I asked the public members of the media and the fans to remain calm and allow the legal process to take its course. Our legal team is actively handling the matter, and I have full confidence that it will be addressed through the appropriate legal channels. Out of respect for the ongoing legal proceedings, we will not be making any further comments at this time. I kindly ask everyone to refrain from speculation or the spread of unverified information while this matter is being addressed. Chronicler and our entire team sincerely appreciate the continued love, prayers, and unwavering support from the fans around the world. We ask for your patience and allow, you know, the legal process to unfold. And updates will be provided if and when it is appropriate to do so. Alexander Bashy Jones, manager, Chronicler. No, like them said, let's talk about the verified thing, cause them not go tell we, so the FBI and the feds I tell we walk one. You see my say, as you can see the arrest warrant right there. And it gets even worse, my people. See the unsealed indictment right there. You know them have to file for seal it because, you know, investigation still are going on, you know. And they've been watching him since March 2025, whenever him have him last case. But if you look at who's the special agent in this case, people, Andre Nelson. You see my son? And if you know anything about special agent Andre Nelson, he was the one basically dealing with Squash case. You feel me? Not a good look, my people, not a good look. Yeah, cause you know Andre Nelson even arrested or helped arrest Squash father after Squash accepted the plea deal. So you know them why you know around with them 6 or 7 or whatever them name them. This is my answer. So when I read Chronicler indictment, I read the name Andre Nelson and I said, see it there. Not a good look, my people. So I don't know why the manager will come out and lie to the fans. This is my answer. As you know, Squash beat the state with fame gun thing, but the feds picked it up. And that's what they did with Chronicler. So that's why I wasn't able to see no court cases for Chronicler in Georgia when we know him get arrested for this and that and this and that. But you see what I say, but the feds them they don't pick it up and seal it. And if you can read the court documents, they say that, you know, he's frequent for shotguns, but them social media account. They listed 2 music videos, no check, with Skilly Bang, and you know the other one, Rich Nafarin, when he was in possession of these firearms that he's not allowed to. You see me? So yeah, say right this Andre Nelson that deal with Chronicler case, just like him deal with Squash case. So you know Squash I think was facing 35 years. Him accept a plea deal and I think, you know, he was facing 10, so them say him can do like 3. Right? Chronicler, it's not in the same boat. Wow, one of the guns that he had was stolen. This is what I say. So I'm have to go snitch where him get that from to get his offense level down. You see me I say, if him not cooperate with that, them not go give him no blind upon that charge. So you see me might have to do the full 100. You see me I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And he's also facing deportation, so I don't know what them do to that Fed boy, yeah, but he's out for them. And it's not over yet, my people. I think he just wants them to be where them can, you know, hold them. You know, them are money making man, you know, because them sing and all of these things. So when boy them want to get to know, you know, them go for your money first, so them can't sing and all of them things they know. It's harder for him to make money out of road now, so whenever them ready for place the next bigger charge upon them, because it's definitely going to be a RICO in the long run. But me just giving them a quick update while going for not to go on Officer Nelson, who they lock up Squash and deal with him program. Yeah, same thing with Blood Clot Chronicler, so make sure and check out these next suggested videos and this upon the screen and subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, if you haven't done so, turn on the notification bell if you've been notified when I chat the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews and gossips. Bless.